In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PowerPoint presentation on YouTube. Have you ever created a stunning PowerPoint presentation and thought to yourself, this would be great to share with a wider audience? Well, you're in luck, because turning your PowerPoint into a video and uploading it to YouTube is not just possible, it's also quite straightforward. Let's start at the very beginning. You've got your PowerPoint presentation ready, filled with insightful information, engaging visuals, and maybe even some animations. Now what? The first thing you need to do is open your Microsoft PowerPoint software. This is where your journey from a presentation to a YouTube video begins. Once you've opened PowerPoint, navigate to the presentation file you wish to transform into a video. You can do this right from the opening screen by selecting your desired file. Now that your presentation is open and all those carefully crafted slides are in front of you, it's time to take the next step. What you'll want to do next is go to the File menu. This might seem like an overly simple step, but it's the gateway to all the powerful features PowerPoint has to offer, including the one we're after today. From the File menu, your next step is to select Export. The export option is where PowerPoint houses its tools for transforming presentations into different formats, which is exactly what we're looking to do. Within the export options, you're going to find a feature titled Create a Video. That's right, PowerPoint includes a built-in video creation tool specifically designed for turning presentations into videos. This feature is your key to unlocking your presentation's potential on YouTube. Click on Create a Video and let's move on to the next step. After deciding to create a video, you'll be prompted to save your new video file. Choose a location that's easy to remember because you'll be needing it soon. Now that your PowerPoint presentation has been successfully saved as a video, it's time to prepare it for its big YouTube debut. To get your video onto YouTube, naturally you'll need to head over to your YouTube channel. If you're not signed in, make sure to do so. Once you're on your channel, look for the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your command center on YouTube, allowing you to manage your content, view your analytics, and more importantly, upload new videos. In the dashboard, you'll find an option that says Upload Videos. Click on this to proceed. Clicking Upload Videos will bring you to the Upload interface, where you can browse for the PowerPoint video you saved earlier. Navigate to the folder where you saved your video, select it, and commence the upload process. YouTube will now begin uploading your PowerPoint video, a process that's both exciting and a bit nerve-wracking. The upload time will depend on the size of your video and your internet connection speed. Patience is key here. While you wait for the upload to complete, you can start thinking about how you want your video to appear on YouTube. This includes adding a compelling title that clearly describes what viewers can expect from your video. You'll also want to choose a thumbnail that catches the eye. This is the first visual impression viewers will have, so make it count. Furthermore, craft a descriptive and informative video description, incorporate relevant tags to improve discoverability, and fill out any other metadata that might be relevant. This is your opportunity to ensure that your video reaches its intended audience and makes the impact you're aiming for. After the upload is complete and you've added all the necessary details to your video, it's time to hit publish. And just like that, your PowerPoint presentation has made the leap from being a static file on your computer to becoming an engaging, shareable video on one of the largest platforms on the internet. Remember, the key to a successful YouTube video is not just in the content, but also in how that content is presented. Make sure to engage with your viewers through comments, use your video description wisely to provide additional information or links, and promote your video across your other social media platforms to drive viewership. And there you have it. You've not only shared your knowledge with the world, but also broadened your skill set by transforming a PowerPoint presentation into a YouTube video. Whether for education, business, or entertainment, the possibilities are now as limitless as your creativity. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.